Hello friend, let us see some simple exercise of linear equation. We have total 12 example. We will solve it one by one. Example number 1 is x minus 2 is equal to 7. Transfer this 2 here. When you transfer from LHS side to RHS side, minus will become plus. X is equal to 7 plus 2. Answer will be x is equal to 9. Example number 1 is completed. Then in second case, equation is y plus 3 is equal to 10. Transfer this 3 here. Same, when you transfer from LHS to RHS, sign gets changed. So positive will become negative. So y is equal to 10 minus 3. Y is equal to 7. Answer is y is equal to 7. Example number 2 is solved. In third case, we have equation 6 is equal to z plus 2. So in this case we will transfer from RHS to LHS because variable on LHS side. So in this case 6, when 2 goes from RHS to LHS, sign will get changed, plus 2 will become minus 2. Z is equal to 6 minus 2, that is Z is equal to 4. Example number 3 is completed. Example number 4, that is 3 plus 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. So in this case we will transfer this value to RHS. When we transfer, positive sign gets changed to negative sign. So x is equal to 17 by 7, 3 by 7. So 7 is same, so we will keep base as a common. We will do subtraction of only 17 minus 3, that is x is equal to 10 x is equal to 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 by 7, 7 divided by 14 is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 2. Example number 4 is completed. Now we have one more example, that is 6 6x divided by 6x is equal to 12. So in this case we will transfer from this 6 to RHS side, but in this case scenario is slightly different because we are just multiplication value transfer to RHS side. So it will, when we transfer it, it will automatically get divisor of this 12 value, and in this case dividend will be 12 and divisor will be 6. So output will be 12 by 6. 6 by 12 is 2. X is 2. Example number 5 is completed. In this case t divided by 5 is equal to 10. Transfer this 5 here. When 5 in here 5 in the divisor situation, when we transfer it to RHS side, it will get in multiplication situation. So transfer this value, t is equal to 10 by 10 into 5, that is t is equal to 50. Answer example number 6 is completed. Let us see example number 7. In example number 7, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Same, transfer this 3 here. When we transfer from LHS, if any value in divisor form, when we transfer to RHS, it will get multiplication form. So 2x is equal to 18 into 3. So transfer this 2 here, it will become 18 into 3 by 2. 2 divided by 18 is 9. 9 3s are 27. Answer is x is equal to 27. Example number 7 is completed. Then here we have one example that is in slightly different. If we compare with above example, here 1.6 is equal to y divided by 1.5. So simple, we will do simple calculation. We will transfer this value here. So y will become 1.6 plus 1.6 multiplication 1.5. So we will solve it. That will be 16 into 15 into 10 raised to minus 1. 10 raised to minus 1 will become 10 raised to minus 2. Split this 16 into 2 part, that is 15 plus 1 into 15 into 10 raised to minus 2. 15 into 15, do here simple calculation, that is 15 into 15 is 5 5s are 25, 2 here, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7 and 15, that is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12 and 2 5. So this is 5 plus 15, so value will become 5 plus 5 is 10, 4, 240, value will become 240 into 10 raised to minus 2. And now multiply this 10 raised to minus 2 with original value, the value will become 2.4. Y is 2.4. Let us see example number 9. Example number 8 is completed. So example number 9 is 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Transfer this 9 from here to here, that is 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. Sign gets changed. 16 plus 9 is 16 plus 9 is 16 plus 10 is 26. 26 minus 1 is 25. 7x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 by 7. Example number 9 is completed. Now let us see example number 10. In this case, equation is 14y minus 8 is equal to 3. Transfer this 8 here. So 13 plus 8 will be 40. Equation will be 14y plus 13 plus 8. So 13 plus 8 will be 21. 14y 21. Y will be 21 by 14. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Y will be 3 by 2. Answer will be y is equal to 3 by 2. Let us see example number 11. In example number 11, 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Transfer this 17 here. 6p is equal to 9 minus 17, that is minus 8. P is equal to 6p is equal to minus 8. P is equal to minus 8 by 6. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. P is equal to minus 4 by 3. In example number 12, example number 11 is completed. In example number 12, equation is x plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So x plus 3, shift this 1 here. So now equation will be x plus 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Multiply this 15 with this 1 to make common base. So x plus 3 will be 7 minus 15, base will be common, that is 15. So now value will be 7 minus 15, that will be minus 8. Minus 8 by 15, x divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. So 5 will be here, 3 will be gone. So x is equal to minus 8 by 5. So I have shown you there are all 12 example exercise. If you have any query related with it, or if you want solution of similar equation which you are getting trouble to solve, you can write in comment section. I will definitely try to write it. I have also shared my email ID in description section. You can mail me also. I will definitely try to answer you. And last, I will request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and like it and share it. Thanks.